Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Governorship candidate of the Action Alliance in Rivers State, Dr. Dawari George, says he is in the governorship race to take over the reins of power to better the lives of Rivers people. Dr. George made the declaration recently during the unveiling of his campaign office in Port Harcourt and the public presentation of his running mate, Barrister Tony Anorewum.
In pursuit of his ambition, Dr. Dawari George, candidate of the Action Alliance in the 2023 governorship election in Rivers State, recently unveiled his campaign office along Aba Road in the Port Harcourt metropolis. Having secured an office to coordinate his campaign activities ahead of the March 11, 2023 governorship election, Dr. George is all set to sell his candidature to the electorate.
The people themselves are the ones who asked us to come out and present ourselves. And the people, the ordinary people, are the ones running the show. And so we are running something that is unconventional.
After a painstaking search for the right candidate to add value to the governorship ticket of the Action Alliance, Dr. George finally settled for Barrister Tony Anorewum, a legal practitioner who is an ordained clergy of the Anglican Communion.
And so, I present to you my running mate for next year's election. And by the special grace of God, the man who will join me to take Rivers State from where it is to the place that God has destined for the state, Barrister Tony Anorewum.
The deputy governorship candidate of the Action Alliance, who hails from Rebisi Kingdom in Rivers State, said he could not resist the offer to share a joint ticket with a man who is generally seen as a face of hope for Rivers people in the 2023 governorship election.
I pledge to you today, and under God, that I will truly lift your hand in private and in public, in prayers, in fasting, in intercessions and thanksgiving, to encourage and support you.
Dr. George, a former commissioner of energy and one-time federal lawmaker representing Akukutoro Asaritoro Federal Constituency of Rivers State in the House of Representatives, ventured into politics after many years of active involvement in youth activism. In recognition of his sterling leadership qualities as two-time chairman of the Rivers State chapter of the National Youth Council of Nigeria, Rivers youth mobilized to the newly unveiled campaign office of Dr. George to declare support for his governorship ambition.
We believe in his leadership and we have every great delight and commitment to work with him in this cause of serving the good people of Rivers State.
Dr. George, candidate of the Action Alliance in the forthcoming governorship election in Rivers State, holds a doctorate in political science with specialization in development studies from the University of Port Harcourt. He intends to deploy his wealth of experience to promote even, rapid and balanced development in Rivers State.
Inside the Niger Delta,